Alright buddy, so we have another PS4 with a bad HDMI. We have no video with it right now, and you see it has the white light. We just took the top off to clean the dust out of it, and we're going to tear it down and we're going to replace the port, and you'll see the magic happen. Everybody, so it looks like their repair was successful. So hit the like, subscribe, and bell down below, and also you'll see our future coming videos. Something you'd like to see us do, please put a comment down below for us. We also go to Tekkies.store, where you can get the tools are linked below, but also on our website. And if you like to do mail-in repairs, we do mail-in repairs for service like this for your PlayStation. If you don't feel like you can do this, we're here to help you with your needs. We do offer that service. Usually is within a quick turnaround, with you same day or within the next day we'll get it back to you.